Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. And in this video, first of all, just have a look at the beautiful weather we have today. It's amazing, black clouds, a little bit of drizzling here and there. And to put more spice in this, I am in my university right now. You can see behind, this is the business school of my university. So the tip I am going to share with you is related to the IELTS writing task 2, which means essay writing in IELTS academic exam. And it is one of those tasks which is very important, and on the same hand it is also very difficult to get a higher band score in this sort of exam. So for that purpose I am giving you that kind of tip. But before that, just focus on this example. If you go to a restaurant and you order your favorite food, but when the food come in front of you, then it is wrapped in a very unhygienic paper or something, are you going to like that food? No, you are not going to like that food. Why? It's just because you didn't like that look of your food. So it is very important in this scenario as well to correlate this example with your IELTS writing as well, because it is important. If you keep on writing the same kind of start to every passage of your IELTS essay, then it will look like that piece of food which you are not going to like, and examiner will also not going to like, irrespective of the content which you have put in that essay. So the first line of every paragraph is hell important if you want to score higher band score in essay writing. And what can make you to write a good essay with a very good and punching line which will force the examiner to give you a good marks is that don't do this. Don't do these kind of things. Firstly, I am writing this essay. Secondly, thirdly, lastly, don't do these kind of what can I say, don't do these kind of things. Because if you keep on writing like firstly, secondly, thirdly, it's a very common thing. It's like an essay of a child who is learning at 8th standard or something. You need to give the examiner a flavor of your variety of vocabulary which you have, and tell him that you can play with the words. So it's important in this scenario that you need to start it, that you can start that firstly, okay, that is quite right. Then if you then at the start of the second paragraph, you need to write what? You need to write moreover, furthermore, in the context of this. These are that kind of lines which are going to give examiner an impression that you know how to play with words, you know how to start your essay very well. So if the punching line, the start of the line is important, then examiner will find interest in it, and he or she will definitely going to give you a higher band score. So all of these things which I have discussed only are applicable if you practice one essay a day. And at the end of the video, I'll try to share with you the essay which has come on 18th April 2024 IELTS exam. It is related to sports education, so do write it, and you can give me that, and I'll think about it to check your essays also, and will give my expert opinion to have a on your essay as well. So you can comment on it, you can send me that essay on email. I'll check for that for you, and I'll give you that kind of insights which no one has ever discovered in your essay. So focus on these tips, and subscribe my channel, and love you all, and do share with your friends who are going to take the IELTS exam very soon. So see you in the next video. I'm going to enjoy this further very soon. So bye bye, take care.